Okay, like we explained before, this drone is having a problem in the centrifugal motors number 1 and number 2. If we see in the remote controller, we see the problems of too low voltage in centrifugal motors number 1 and number 2 and ESC errors in centrifugal motors number 1 and number 2. So to fix this problem, we checked the centrifugal motor number 2 and we find out that this motor it's causing the problem to the centrifugal motor number 1. So we're gonna change the centrifugal motor, the number 2, to see if the problem is fixed. So this is the new centrifugal motor that we're gonna use here. So let's change it. Okay, so this is the old centrifugal motor. So now we're gonna connect the centrifugal motor number 2, the new. We're gonna connect here. Okay, wait. Okay, now it's connected. So we're gonna turn on the drone. So like I told before, this drone came with us. This is the 5th time that the drone came to the workshop in at least 1 month. So we already changed so much in this drone to fix so much problems in the spraying system. So this is the 5th time that the drone came to the workshop. So now the problem is in the centrifugal motor number 2. But if we see here in the remote controller, look, there is no error about the spraying system. So the problem is fixed. So now we're gonna do a test to see if the problem now the centrifugal motor now it's working. So in this video I demonstrate that the centrifugal motor number 2 was making the ESC error and the voltage too low in both centrifugal motors. So we're gonna prepare the drone to test it outside and see if now the drone can be working.